There's a special place not far away where soft breezes still blow and crisp, clean air is everywhere. A place where an English country house sits at the edge of a historic village. Welcome to Beechwood Cottage. The foyer opens to both the library and the living room. The spacious library offers one of the home's 5 fireplaces. The open living room is ideal for gatherings while maintaining a rich intimacy. The dining room offers a setting that will enhance a variety of dining experiences. The chef's kitchen presents full amenities for creating culinary delights. The butler's pantry is reminiscent of the home's historic past. A 44-foot-long enclosed porch is ideal for entertaining. The second floor offers multiple bedrooms and baths. The master suite is a world unto itself, with a charming fireplace and abundant space. The guest suite is light-filled with a spacious sitting area. The media room offers multiple uses and opens to a light-filled sun porch. There are additional bedrooms and a bath on the second floor, and 4 additional rooms on the third floor. The garden room, as well as many rooms in the home, overlook the lush private grounds, which offer abundant wildlife and specimen plantings. The pool is ideal for an early morning swim or afternoon garden party. Beauty, peace, and fresh country air. Now is the time to come home to Beechwood Cottage. You may contact me for more information. I'm Thomas McGowan with Elise Harney Real Estate.
Norfolk, Connecticut in northwest Litchfield County is the perfect place to call home, no matter what age group you're in or what lifestyle you have. It's ideal with activities, sports, recreation, dining, and shopping. Come for a day or stay for a lifetime. Norfolk, Connecticut.